Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. So today I will discussing onto the MCQs on milling machines, and that will be our session number 2 for milling machines. So first of all, subscribe my channel for the regular preparation of UPSC, GATE examinations and all kind of government examinations, as well as some of the fundamental concept about mechanical engineering. So let us start with our question number 1 on milling machine. The cutting elements intermediately engages with option A workpiece, option B removed materials, option C both A and B, option D none of the mentions. So basically that will be during the cutting operations onto the milling machines. The cutting elements intermittently engages with the workpiece as well as the removed materials. So that will be the option C, both A and B. The next question. Indexing operation can also be adopted for producing which headed bolts? Option A hexagonal, option B square, option C both A and B, and option D none of the mentions. So by the application of indexing operations can be also used to be adopted for producing both the hexagonal as well as square kind of headed bolts. So according to the given options, both the A and B option is possible. So the right answer is C, both A and B, or you can say hexagonal as well as square headed bolts. The next, which of the following is the important part of universal head? Option A worm, option B index plate, option C sector arm, and option D all of the mentions. So basically into the construction of universal head, all the threes like worm and worm wheel, option B index plate, option C sector arms is being used for dividing our periphery into equal number of required parts. So generally these all A, B and C is the important part of universal head. So the option D. So if you want to learn in details of the indexing mechanism and the basic construction and working of indexing, you will find a link in my description box. The next, which of the following is not the method of indexing? Option A compound indexing, option B differential indexing, option C angular indexing, and option D all of the mentions. So basically into the types of indexing methods, so you will find compound indexing, differential indexing as well as the angular indexings. So these three, it will be the different types of indexing methods. So basically, so the right answer is D, all of the above. So if you want to learn in details of all the different kind of indexing mechanisms like compound indexing, differential indexing and angular indexings, so you will find a link in my description box. The next question, which of the following indexing method is also known as rapid indexing? Option A direct indexing, option B angular indexing, option C compound indexing, and option D none of the mentions. So basically the direct indexing method that will be used as a one kind of fastest indexing methods, or you can say rapid indexing method. So the option A direct indexing. The next question, in direct indexing the plate has how many equally spaced holes? Option A 12, option B 24, option C 48, and option D, none of the mentions. So according to the construction of direct indexing methods, so basically plate has 24 equally spaced hole. So the right answer is B, 24. The next question. An important parameter of specifications of milling machine is option A, size of the table, option B, spindle size, option C, Arbour size, and option D, horsepower. So basically, in case of the important parameters of the specifications of milling machines, so that will be the main thing is Arbour size. So onto Arbour, the milling cutter is being mounted. So the right answer is according to these options, and that will be Arbour size. The next question. The chip space between the back of the one tooth and the face of the next tooth in a milling cutter is called as option A, fillet, option B, land, option C, tooth space, and option D, guss. So basically that will be called as a option D, guss. Then next question. In order to avoid dulling of cutter, climb milling operations should never be used when the milling parts made of option A, magnesium, option B, cast iron, option C, mild steel, and option D, stainless steel. So basically the cast iron material, it will be never used when milling machines. So basically for the avoiding a dulling of the cutters in case of the climb milling operations should never be used as a cast iron materials. So the option B, because that will be considering as a brittle materials. So rest of the all materials like magnesium, mild steel, and stainless steel, which is ductile kind of materials, so that will be used. So that will be not possible as a cast iron materials. Then next question. Standard milling Arbour size is option A, 25.4 mm, B, 27 mm, C, 32 mm, and D, all of the above. So into market, all the size like 25.4 mm is available, 27 mm available, 32 mm is available. So according to these given options, right answer is option D, all of the above. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.